MacTech, since 1984.
Welcome everyone to the machine replacement process. Step 1. Identify the old machine. Step 2. Remove the machine, which MacTech can help you with. Step 3. Order a new machine through MacTech and have it delivered to your location. Step 4. Tech service. Our techs will come to your location and install your machine for you. Step 5. Finishing touches. Our techs will make sure the machine runs smoothly. Step 6. A finished product. Behold your new machine. And that means there's only one step left, and it's the easiest step of all. Step 7. Another satisfied MacTech customer. The new MacTech Ermach Falcon press brake, delivery 1 of 2. Replacing an AccuPress. Superior accuracy, production specification, and machine capability. Support and return on investment. And it installs in less than 1 day, too. So call MacTech today and see for yourself at 414-486-9700. That number again is 414-486-9700. We look forward to hearing from you.
MacTech, since 1984. And remember, we are fab.